friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jody. In today's video, I'm going to show you my Peloton Bike Plus, which I have had for 1 year. They're having a great Black Friday sale at the moment, so maybe you're thinking of one, maybe you would like one for Christmas, but you kind of want to see what you're getting into. I'm going to give you my full review today. I'm going to tell you some important things to know before you buy. Also, we'll kind of discuss the bike, its aesthetics, what it's able to do, and so on. We'll talk about the app, which is very important, and then we'll kind of chat about the Peloton community and the kind of the cult spirit that the brand has had. So I'll tell you, this will be a positive review. I do love my Peloton. I would purchase one again if I did not already have one. So don't expect for me to talk a lot of mess, okay? This is gonna be a good review. I like Peloton. As you can see, I'm wearing my Centurion shirt. You get one of these after you have completed your first 100 rides. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so section 1, what is good to know before you buy? One, there are two types of bikes. There is the first bike, which is just referred to as bike, I believe, on the website. And then there is Bike Plus, which was the newer version. The bike is now $14.95, which is heavily discounted. I have used the bike in like the gym. A lot of gyms, a lot of hotels, the Y where I go, they have the bike and it works wonderfully. So it's still a good buy if you want to get something more on budget. And then the Bike Plus, which is this one, it is currently listed for $24.95, so like $1,000 more, but I believe the Black Friday sale gets you like $700 in savings. So it would come out somewhere around $1,800, I believe. And the store does offer financing where you could do $0 down and pay over 24 months with no interest. So that is an option for payment. Second thing to know, subscription. You don't have to, but the bike is practically useless without the subscription, which is $39 a month. This is what gives you access to the apps and to the programs and the instructors and the coaches. The subscription is what makes the bike fun to use. Now you could just ride on your own and just kind of follow along one of the built-in programs. It's just not as exciting. And you're not able to connect your bike to external programs. I think there is a way you could get around it, but it voids your warranty, so just know that. The next thing, you're going to need shoes. I believe when you purchase your package, you can get your shoes for $125. The shoes look like this. And it's important to get the shoes because, I will show you in a minute, the shoes actually clip into the pedal to keep you secure while you're riding the bike. So without the shoes, you won't have a great experience on your home bike. The bikes that are in the gyms have a different kind of pedal, which is the one you push your sneaker into and then tighten it up. But the one you purchase for your home will not be that way, so the clip-in shoes are definitely a must-have. You can buy some weights from Peloton. They come with the little black ones that are 2 pounds. These are my personal weights. They still fit in there. They're 5-pound ones. I got these from Target. You're going to need a mat. You'll see my bike is on a mat. I'll show you a clearer picture. Peloton does sell a mat, but I bought my mat from Amazon. I want to say it was $40-ish. I will put a link to it in the description below. When you are a newbie to cycling, the bike seat may not be comfortable for you at first, so you might need to get a bike seat cover. I used to have one. I only used it for I think the first 2 months, and then I was able to do without it. Schwinn makes a really good one. I'll find it for you and put it in the description box. On that note, you might also need some bike shorts. So what happens is when you're new to cycling, I don't know what it is, the insides of your thighs get really, really sore and oh my god, it's so painful. So the bike shorts have like the padding and that helps you to have a better experience on the bike as well. Again, I purchased one off of Amazon. Don't overdo it because you're going to get comfortable eventually, so you don't want to have too many of these things. So I purchased one pair, I wore it for a month or two, and now I just never use it anymore. So that's the before you buy segment. Let's move on to looking at our bike. I'm going to film that part with my cell phone, so you won't be seeing me as much. I'll just do a voiceover on my phone. So let's take a look at the bike. All right, so here's our bike. It's on the more petite side, which is why I like it. It's not too big, definitely way smaller than their treadmill. I'm standing in my mudroom right now, which is just a narrow little rectangle room off of our house, and it fits in there really nicely. So if you have a small space, you should be able to fit your bike with no problem. So this is our screen. It is very big. You can tilt it all the way up, and it can come all the way down. So the bike has 2 cup holders on there. The handlebars are great. There's several different places that you can hold for your comfort. We have our pedals down here. This is what I was telling you, you have to clip the shoe into. This is our knob. This is how you increase or decrease the resistance on the bike. Left makes it less resistant, and then to the right it gets heavy. So there are other little knobs on here so that you can adjust like the height of your seat, the height of the handlebars and things like that to make it just perfect for you, and they're all very easy to work. All right, so let's dive into the best thing about the Peloton, which is the app that it comes with and the workouts you could do. So you'll see you could create a profile for yourself. You can also make a profile for multiple other people, so you have the option here to add another profile. Also, whatever you use as your login for your own profile, if you should go to a gym or a hotel that has Peloton, you can log in as yourself and just kind of pick up where you left off at home. So this is how it looks inside the app. You have your own profile where you could just, put together the settings that you prefer and so on. But what I want to show you is your workouts. So you can see your instructors are here. All of your favorite instructors will be in this tab. As you can see, I love to ride with Alex and Tunde, Robin, Ali, Cody. So those are all my favorite instructors. Then you're gonna have things like your daily picks and suggested rides for you. Didn't mean to hit that. Let's back out of that. And everything is just touchscreen and easy to navigate, as you can see. Now at the bottom, you could just come down to programs. So if you want to do kind of a set of workouts in a sequence, you can do that. There are also classes that you can choose from. This is where you can filter it, say by cycling, which is what I have, and it will show me all of the cycling workouts that are available right now. So you can further filter this to see like only 10-minute rides or only 30-minute rides or only certain instructors. You'll notice the little bookmarks here. You can save the rides. Let's say I'm looking at the screen now, but I'm like, ooh, this ride looks good with Alex. I'm not gonna do it now, but I can save it and then I can come back later and do my bookmark rides. Other things to choose from. There is boot camp, strength workouts, cardio, stretching, yoga, meditation. Let's say we wanna do some strength. Those are gonna be your options available, and there are hundreds of classes as well. Now, the good thing about this, the same stuff you're seeing on your bike screen, there is an app that you can download. Now, the best thing about the app is everything that is available on your screen is available to download on your phone. So if you download the app to your phone, your iPad, your computer, you can get the same stuff that's on your bike on your device. And then when you're traveling, or if you just don't feel like doing a cycling workout and you want to say do a strength workout, you can easily do it just by following along with your device. You can also connect the device to your TV, so then you can follow along and do the workout on your TV, which is super cool. And the screen of the Bike Plus also swivels, So if you were doing it on the bike, you could actually just swivel the screen and follow along that way. I don't do that because this room is too small for me to do a strength workout in here or yoga or whatever. So instead I project to my TV and do that, but it's an option for you, just so you know. All right, let me just show you real quick what the inside of a cycling workout looks like. So when you click on it, it opens up to this larger screen and you will see the music, which is very important to Peloton. You will see the playlist. You can view playlist. Boom. And you'll actually see every single song that is going to be played. You can favorite the songs that you like. And if this looks like something you're going to enjoy, you can go ahead and do the ride. Sometimes you may not like the music that's in the ride, so when you view the playlist, you'll be like, I don't like this music, and then you can choose something else. Also, cool thing to note, let's say I did want to do this ride. I can start the ride, or I can join a session. A session is their way of helping you to get the experience of a live class, even though you've missed the live class. So I could join a session with other people who are going to be starting the ride at the same time, and we can ride together. Also, you could tell your friends to join a session with you. So if we both wanted to do this ride, I could call up one of my friends and say, hey, let us start this ride in the next 4 minutes. They have a session started. So I'm not going to do a join session. I'm going to do skip session because I want to ride by myself. And what I just wanted to show you was the Apple Watch connection. So what you do is just put your watch up to it. Your watch will say if you want to connect, and you will be able to connect your watch. Let me just start this.
I'm going to do my 30-minute hip-hop ride, my first time.
You can turn the music down on the side panel over here, which is nice. You can also use your Bluetooth headphones. You can use a plug-in headphone that has a cord. So basically, you can now track your activity that is on your app on your screen. So you'll see your heart rate, your Strive score, and all of that good stuff. So the million-dollar question is, can you get fit riding Peloton? The answer is yes. However, just like in all other things, you have to be consistent. So you can't just have the bike like a piece of furniture in your house. You actually have to use it. And I would say the best way to get to your overall fitness goals is to not only do the cycling workouts, but to also incorporate some of the strength and some of the yoga and some of the cardio and the other workouts that are available to you. That's why I think the $39, even though it feels like an extra cost on top of buying your bike, it's almost like having a gym membership. And the instructors are amazing. It's like having a personal trainer in your house and all the equipment that you need to get the job done. So really, really love that about Peloton. The other thing that will help you get fit is that Peloton is a community. So if you have other friends that have one, you can be connected on the bike. By the way, my name is Jodi M. Mosley. Feel free to follow me. I will follow you back. There are hashtags that represent interests. So like Peloton Mom, Peloton Running Group, Peloton Atlanta. So other people like that who you can connect with, and having a community helps you to stay committed and motivated because there are like-minded individuals. You can see what your friends are doing. You'll be able to tell if they worked out, and then you can work out too. You know, keep each other accountable. So the accountability factor is definitely there. Let's just talk real quick about delivery. I know you might be looking forward to this bike for Christmas. It took me 6 weeks to get my bike. I ordered early October. It came mid-November. That was last year. And that was kind of their standard delivery times. It was anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. Right after that, things got crazy. Everybody was ordering. And my friends who ordered after I did, it took them 3 months to get theirs. So what I'm saying is, if you're trying to take advantage of the Black Friday sale because you want your bike for Christmas, it just might not happen. So just be realistic about it. It might take longer. I'm not sure what their production times are right now, but I do know it can take longer than you expect. So it may not be under the tree. Not that it would probably fit under the tree, but yeah, it might not be your Christmas present. So thank you for watching this video. Leave any questions that you have below. If I missed anything, please let me know. I'm happy to answer you. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. See you guys in another video.